If Slack is giving you the dispatch_unknown_ error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to work fast. This kind of error can happen for a few different reasons, and most of the time, it's something simple like a temporary glitch, a slow connection, a network issue, or even your browser cache causing problems. So before you start changing anything major, we'll go through the easiest fixes first and work our way up. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into the first fix. The first thing you should do is refresh the page and try again later. A lot of Slack errors are temporary, so reloading the page can clear a one-time issue instantly. If that doesn't work, give it a minute and try again after a short wait. Sometimes the problem is on Slack's side, and waiting a little can make all the difference. Next, check your internet speed. Open your browser and search for speed test, then run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or inconsistent, Slack may struggle to send or receive data properly, which can trigger this error. If the speed looks bad, try restarting your router or moving to a stronger connection. The next thing to try is switching your network. If you're on Wi-Fi, change to a mobile hotspot, and if you're already on a hotspot, switch back to Wi-Fi. This helps you quickly confirm whether the issue is tied to your current network. In many cases, a different network will let Slack load normally again. After that, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with Slack's connection and cause unexpected errors like this one. Turn them off temporarily, then refresh Slack and test again. If the error disappears, you've found the cause. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cached images and files, and if needed, cookies as well. Old or corrupted browser data can absolutely cause Slack to behave strangely, and clearing it often resolves the issue right away. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser, then sign back into Slack and check if the problem is fixed. If you're still seeing the dispatch_unknown_ error after all of that, try combining the fixes. For example, switch networks and clear cache, or disable your VPN and refresh the page again. The goal is to eliminate anything that could be blocking Slack from loading or sending requests properly. Once Slack is working again, you should be able to continue without interruptions. So, to recap, the fastest fixes are refresh the page, test your internet speed, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and clear your browser cache. These steps solve most Slack dispatch_unknown_ error issues without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.